Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling. Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Oh,
sir?
fantastic.
How can I help?
Zuko Sisa Loyiso Ndima is my name.
Lovely.
Who
How are
might
you,
I be
Mr.
speaking
Ndima?
to?
You're now speaking to Patricia.
Patricia.
Yeah.
Delil.
Not exactly.
Okay. Which Patricia?
Patricia Zangamandla.
Okay. Yeah, well, I'm glad
Anything
to hear
funny,
from
Mr.
you,
Ndima?
Patty. No, Patricia, Patty, Beef Patty, Langamandla.
That's so good, Mr. Ndima. Is there anything I can actually help you with?
You can help me with please coming to host the show with me today.
If I must.
Yes.
All right, I'll see you in a sec.
There we go.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.
Hello and welcome back to The Bling Line with me, Taliza Ndima.
Zukondem is the name.
This show is your show.
100%, guys. I'm starving. Uxolweni man ndisatya umqwayito apha because
wrong thing to
bro.
Okay, fine. Usatya umqwayito. Okay, you read the first one and then uhlafune. Next one.
Uzi_P uthi sister makafake mna kwi-casting. Speaking about Uzi, zange nda-actor but ndizithembile.
That's like saying I've never done brain surgery, but these dembil.
You have to start somewhere.
Not on people's actual brains.
Bandini, it's like our bantu babuzwa ku-interview phoning about, Doc, why should we hire you? Antsho man ufuna abantu. Until then, we're like,
Because you guys need people in this company to fill this position. Therefore, if you are serious, please hire me.
absolutely. And I'm such a big fan of hire for attitude, train for skill.
Train for?
Skill. So don't hire for skill because what you can hire, you can always teach skill. Attitude, yona ndifunekayo.
Yeah.
Have you ever had someone who can do the job but they've just got a bad attitude?
Yeah, that sucks so bad.
Right?
Yeah.
Rather than umuntu ozakwazi umfundisa.
So would you hire someone for a good attitude? Abe, they only have half of the skill that they actually need to do the job.
100% because you can teach them the other half. Otherwise, but a person with a stinking attitude.
Stinky.
No, and I'm pretty sure you maybe know now about attitude.
Yeah.
Whether it's someone who does your nails, hair, or whatever the case may
Yeah.
be. But definitely not a tailor because I've come to find out that we've all got toxic relationships with our tailors because everyone's tailor is the best. But into yakho uyifuna next week. Kodwa.
January.
What a horrible thing.
That's so.
What a horrible thing. I-tailor always 0.99. I don't know, all the time. Send date early tailor. He always run nigga on the day ekuseni. Man, remember the child. Someone needs to look into that relationship.
All right,
What is
so
that?
Z, it seems like you have a job then with your amazing attitude. No, I can't do that. Send me an audition tape.
Yeah. I haven't told against nepotism, with morals society.
It sounds like I might just have to.
But here we are.
Thanks for that, Z.
Mm-hmm.
Uti Utulari Ramukhopa. The birthday chat. I used to not mind not receiving from anyone, friends specifically, on my birthdays. Normally in the past, I would receive from one or two of my friends and I'd be so happy. I make it a norm to gift all my friends, even if it's just 12 rand airtime, especially on the actual birthday. So last year, I received nothing. not a single friend. And for some reason, it rubbed me the wrong way and I crashed out. I made a WhatsApp status telling all my friends that
get off.
move.
Wehla erobotini elandelayo wena. Chomi number 1. Number 2. Wehla ebaleni wena. Wena uzahla kade scam.
In fact, ihlala nonke ngoku. I made a WhatsApp status telling all my friends that moving forward, I will not be exchanging birthday gifts. We can continue gifting each other for other things, just not for birthdays.
What?
Not sure if it was a wise thing to do.
Yaphela njani? Zazi the response. I feel like the responses might have been negative because I'm looking at the faces. Kuko iclown. Kuko la mntu te.
Angazazi buyancuma nobusela.
Uyaziteka.
Yo, I don't know. Hey, honestly, I personally, I don't think it was the best thing to do under the circumstances. Because you know what it sounds like? If I had received the way to get off WhatsApp status and I hadn't given you a birthday gift, I would have thought, oh, so the reason why he's been giving us birthday gifts this whole time is so that he can get birthday gifts back. Yeah. So as 12 rand airtime nezindondoni uyazibala yena ba wena ndakuthengela ndakundondoni, you're not just doing it out of love.
Yeah,
Then
it does
maybe
make
you
you
need
kind of look like a bit on the using side. Oof. Is it though?
Look,
Okay, how do you feel? Ne? Like for example, ngoku ne gift, yabo? And then ngoku afike uApril thinga ku gift uziva njani? Akho nix abethela nangu thetha nyani. Hayi Talita.
You know what I've done this year? I've bought like everyone a birthday present.
Okay. Oh wow.
And you know why? Because I think it's just a nice thing to do. Honestly, I'm just like, oh, I like receiving gifts and I like how it makes me feel. And I'm sure other people feel exactly the same way. And I'd love to bring that to the party.
How much percent out of 10 do you have an expectation?
No, I hardly receive birthday gifts.
So if I sikuthengelanga sonke next year. It's such a tricky thing, man.
I know, because you don't want to say you're doing it so that you can receive back.
But it would be nice to receive back. Also, people must understand, but it would be nice to receive back. It would be.
Tulare, tell us how your friendships are going at the moment after
just excel amnes friendships, by the way.
Because I'm sure people didn't take it well.
Yeah, also I think it was a little bit unfair to WhatsApp status them.
What?
Because also nothing niggas funde lento sikeke pada zotshomi zakho. No, tell now abantu tell now how we catching fair. Tell now abantu funtela nabo.
Personally.
Yes, correct. And if they're your real friends, I feel like these are chats that can be had by mchana ndihead. Ungasixeleli ba masehle thina ezigoneni.
Singekho already.
Second right, short left.
Thanks for that, Tulare. We look forward to your follow-up.
100%. Achumile uti. Yazi, my mom also turned 40 this year. Oh! And when you are here typing, watching the podcast and typing. Oh my God. That was mid-June and I got my first ever gift from her.
For her?
Oh, for her.
Mm-hmm.
Please guess what it was. Pajamas. Ngoba bezindihlupa ezi ebenazo. Hayi Chini. To be fair, I'm a struggling teenager betuna as you should be.
You're not a struggling teenager. You're just a teenager.
And I'll do better next time. Maybe a car.
Slow down.
Everything that you have done has been perfect so far. In fact, you did too much.
Because of
pajama. So I really think the socks and undies should be enough. Mentality really stick with gifters when we're gifting providers.
You read that so weirdly.
Badly.
So I really think the socks and undies should be enough mentality. really sticks with gifters when we're gifting providers?
Ngoba abazithengi bona because umntu unexhala le-combo ne-specials. Adeyazi. Oh, which is actually so sad, man. This is the comment of the episode. Andifuna ungatsha. Kaloku wena ucinga ipijama, ucinga ikhombo. Zezilapaloni ezizawuphathwa nguwe esikolweni achumile. I like that because you're so also kind of cognizant of that. Because ndibona loo nto leyo with the last line that says, which is actually so sad, man. And abacingi izikhombo nezi-special because of vibes.
No.
Bacinga izikhombo nezi-special because of necessity.
No, 100%. 100%.
And Kenyan, it does sometimes lead to a certain level of self-neglect from the provider's side.
Because ngoku ipijama zitheni? Ziwakuwaku, zigqobhokile, zifaded. But umntu uzonxiba ipijama yakhe alale a peaceful sleep because they have taken care of their family.
Yes, you've done so well, Achumile. You rockstarred this thing, and I feel like you get it so much.
No, you totally get it.
Yeah, the only thing I'd remove is the pressure you feel to do more. Because I feel like you really, really did a lot.
Yeah, do what you can.
But and
it was thoughtful.
Yes,
this is the thing. It wasn't just about it being a gift. It was like, Mom, and I'm going to buy it for her.
You understand? And also, I think it's very subjective, Machita way. Because I'll know we provider, uthengele nice socks and undies. Ambo khangeli combo ne special for Londo leyo. We provider, So it doesn't work the same when it's the other way around. When you're the provider, but when it's the other way around, I can buy you something that you've overlooked, that you may need. Not that we afford it, but
we tangelo moto ke babes.
Beautiful comment. Good to have you on the show, Kumile. Thanks for that.
Uthi UKMT4I wena uzokubhatalwe malini kula ad?
Oh. Apha nini nwana yami ona pa. So ke siyasenzelana izinto.
Also, this thing that of not taking care of yourself is also seen in mothers too, which is speaking to what Achumile's mom.
Sure.
Motherhood ends up being their whole identity to a point that umtu doesn't even know which car they like, but they think of practicality. They don't think of what they want to wear, but what's easier to run after the kids in, which is also kind of sad because the kids then leave and they are miserable because they've lost themselves a very long time ago. Now there will be not so nice mother-in-laws because they can't let go of the kids. But the child is their whole identity. Whoa, it got there, but ifike kahle.
Yeah, definitely. And I think a lot of the time we don't pay attention to that. And how much also sometimes it can even cause tension with the parents' relationship with the kids. And kids get abazali, if
I would never be alive.
Not to abazali, if uzawuncama lena le for izinto ofuna wena bandibe nazo ongazange wanazo wena.
Yeah.
Sunibalisela Chum. Is it fair? Is it fair for me to say that?
No.
Sunibalisela. Baka kaloku dancama into no.
Bro, did I ask you? I'm sorry. Did I ask you?
Yo.
Why are you putting it in my face?
Yeah, sure.
Like I asked for it.
Sure. So another caution to parents. If you are going to do that, just relationships in general, friendships, sibling relationships, all of those things. If you are going to take it on yourself, ukuncama indo for the other person to have something that you really want them to have.
Don't throw
You are not allowed to bring it up.
No. Noba xa uyageza, noba wenza ndoni, you're not allowed to bring it up.
You're not allowed.
Because what I take for granted is that you did that because out of the goodness of your heart and you wanted to do it for me. Knowing that, because when you bring it up, now it feels like you did it so that I could behave how you want me to behave.
Woo! So, okay, no more abazali abacrasha out. You got that? My 2K. You know when you have an issue, not my mom crashing out. What? Your mom crashing out? Yeah, I think it's a rule that we can apply across relationships, man.
Yeah.
Whatever the relationship is, it's giving. You are trying to control me.
Yes.
And that's not nice. I don't think anyone wants to be controlled. And so, okay, the positive on the side of Abazali, tell her what you must do, whatever you want to do, man. These people, their lives are going to work out or not work out. Also, it's not up to you, it's up to God. So, and them, they also need to decide. So, thanks,
King.
Ulele to 913 Uti, I heard cursive is important for coordination, hence it's learned by almost all generations.
I don't know, man.
You still not convinced?
Nah.
Did you see there were a number of comments that were speaking to cursive? And you're still just like,
nah. I feel like someone said that and then we all were like, oh, yeah, it's good for
someone
coordination.
like me.
No, someone like way back in the day who came up with cursive was like, oh, do you know what cursive actually does? It's good for your coordination. I want to know the people who didn't learn cursive. Injani coordination, yeah.
Ngaba umntu because you know I am a clumsy person. I fall all over the show.
Akakwazi kudibanisa.
Yazala.
I just need more information. Thanks. Thanks, Lily. What is happening? Mikwati.
Check us.
No, that's for a zip.
And when you video to
I love that guy so much. He's so confrontational. Luthando Mazibuko. Utamzupele uyawudlala uCapitex engisho for i40F.
Hayi bo, Mazibuko.
And akawudlali, yes. Dinayo, I can pass it on.
Wait, ngicisa ngobunjalo bayo.
Ufundile, I mean obviously uzothatha i-bank charges zami.
Yeah, that's all. Chabazi kaloku mna abantu, umuntu umjonge ebusweni umbone nje ba uyila type ka, hey uThixo kaphi ngasanzi. Kodwa kwafika uzokhangela laa nto ubucimba uyishile athi khanga ibone.
Okay, guys, don't worry. I'll put up my Capitec details in this episode.
Oh, so uthini ngoku xa ufaka ulifota kabutsha okanye uya kwi-stars items uattache okanye
Ndilifota kabucha, and I just got a new one, so I'm gonna have to photo it kabucha. Thanks for that, Luthando. Looking forward to your contribution to the happiness.
Oh, love to see that. Please, man, Luthando. Please. Thank you in advance.
All right.
Anivuyi na 82 was for you, Fachom. On Wednesday, I was missing you guys so much. I decided to listen to Spotify Web because I don't have the app or an account. Okondi Jong iPhone wanting to see you guys. Ay, Buddha, but Spotify Web now una video mos. Spotify Web should have a video as well. So if you are watching on Spotify Web, you should have the option of being able to watch the video.
Okay.
As well. That's what I think. I really do believe. So yeah, keep missing us. And when you are missing us, download the app. It's for free.
It's literally for free. I'm like,
it's free. But kaloku mhlawumbe lokubana la challenge besikhe sanayo so i2 phone ye space. Nekubu delete pictures zamakhulu wakho zakudala because I was deleted as well. Thenge iphone ubani?
What? When?
Me.
When? When did you
ndibona ikhombo na special namncama. Because every time I was complaining about it, not when Uyoli was one of the biggest people, and go 8 months into your new contract, so the end I trade in phone yamu, the money R1 get pofu, and then I got another phone. Thanks again. Yeah. But I'm now Zucho. That is cover. That is screen protector. Oh, man. Hey, Talita. Hey, mo. Chakata kwekwe. Khohlela madanga akhe.
Thanks, Anivuina.
Ayandambata.
Uti, love the portraits with your names behind. Would love that for me and my son's room. Black look bandas. We got these. What?
Ay, Talita uthanga man.
Sorry.
Yabona ke wena saqesha iskill kuwe zasiqesha iattitude. So ke Ayanda, what you can do is you can send us a DM and then we'll send you the pricing.
Okay.
Okay,
Chomi.
So fika nini? Wayifumana nini phone? Uphisa ngeplug.
I don't know where we got these. So I'm pissing a
relax asaya kulamntu owasigiftayo ezinto.
Okay.
Sithi kuye makaze neprice. Sithathe la price?
Si pake markup.
100%. Talking about prices.
Oh. Maki yomcimbi betuna. Maki yomcimbi betuna nazi snizi.
Galabandwana. Thanks. What I will do is I will try and find out. Because also you never know. Mhlambi yena lamntu ufuna ukwenza imali ngalewe ngokuthina. Asabadibanisa. Ayilul.
Diketseng.
Fair. Diketseng Maloka uti, I was so confused by the fact that not knowing what gifts you want is a boy thing. But when I remembered that I only have brothers and don't come from a home where there are girl jobs and guy jobs, I am a girl and take out the trash when I feel it's full. My brothers and father wash the dishes and clean or whatever. I mean, my father used to change my little brother's diapers and wash them. And wash them. So for us, there's no barrier on that. And I guess that's why gifts make me uncomfortable in general. I'm not used to getting them. And this is an instance where I guess my parents never drilled it in us. Kind of a praising fish for swimming instance.
Oh, wow.
So
I don't see the correlation though
between
the gifts and people doing jobs that aren't for boys or for girls.
Yes. Yeah. Look, Nama andibon lo correlation, but Utiena, she's the only girl out of that family.
Yeah.
So, and I think maybe it could have a correlation in terms of saying Guti, because Yana Uti, know what gifts is wanting is a boy thing. It's still a boy thing for her, even though she grew up in that environment, not knowing what they want.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Did we have girl and boy jobs? No. Yeah, for the inside.
Can you security?
That's my fake. For the fake, security. Yay! And security is tuli washing.
Avali
feli curtains.
Yeah, that's all.
And then omnye glave kwenzani yapeka. No. Sorry. We vasizitya. And then the next week we security.
Security. Also, what a funny name. But it's also apt. But why would someone say
because we are secure? Like, that's what you're doing.
And I know it's mom who did that.
And it definitely worked. Do you feel like that has made us turn out differently to a person who might have?
Definitely.
Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Because abantu man, hey, umntu vela kuxela bandangam. I understand le nto yoba ndikhuphise umgqomo. Like umgqomo awukhutshwa as girls.
Into yomgqomo nawe.
Yeah, ndileqa umgqomo kaloku maxa onke mna. That's the problem.
No, I definitely think so. I think I've seen guys who are like,
what do you even mean?
Yeah, which is very strange.
Okay.
Ubuza uba izitya ngoku wawuhlala wedwa zivazwa ngubani okanye ulindwa
Andy.
Andakazi every day.
That's why you must make sure that you got a PYT that is there. Cooking and washing the
What's
dishes.
What's a PYT?
Pretty young thing.
Oh my gosh, let's move on. Excuse me. Uthi Rita. Molweni fam yam, ke Motswana, o se a le Moxhosa yanong.
Why kutlwa?
Hope y'all are good and stuff. Tamzu uthe ijan doesn't catch. LOL. Oh, that's what that was.
Can I catch? Mountain catchile.
Oh. We assume.
Sitya sawuhlanjwa ngubani? Dadlala ndikhetshanga ndiyenye into fondini.
I also remembered that when you mentioned the comment you read. I can't seem to stop loving the relationship you and Sis Tali have as an older sister. I'm trying to better myself to becoming the older sister I always wanted. It's hard. Oh, it's hard. I have to go through a lot of unlearning and also deal with stuff I just wanted to forget. Kunzima ukwakha. I keep reminding myself, though, if we can forgive cheating partners and backstabbing friends.
Ubukhona sani wena kwi-100th episode.
100%. And continue being tag-alongs in people's lives whilst hurting ourselves.
What?
Why can we not put the same energy in our siblingship?
Energy, Aglika. Energy.
Oh, I'm babbling too much. Also, Sis Tali, I totally stand with you with the diary keeping and writing. Yes, Damzu, we feel violated. Got the joke. I'm 25 and I can't seem to get myself to read what I was writing 10 years ago. LOL, always been a dark temple. Welcome to the club. But we're growing, healing, learning and unlearning. And I hope to gather the strength one day to read and just reflect. If I can't do it with the stuff I was writing, imagine how it must feel to know someone else has read those thoughts of mine.
Look, I mean, I like that so much. And thank you. What a powerful, powerful comment, like from start to finish, man. I love how your interpretation, sorry, of the relationship that you are trying to build with your siblings and how nyanike, to our detriment, what we like to do is forgive. But sibling, want to cut them off at the knees. We had a chat about that on the 100th episode. I love that. I love that so much. Yeah, but also there's a lot that's going on there. But now, so you read your diary, and your diary you read, there are things there that you're just like, what? Is it cringe? But then isn't it a nice opportunity to be like, hey, God, that's show me usuka ku the man pet.
For sure.
Yeah.
That too. But sometimes you kind of forget where you were in your mind at a certain time.
And then maybe you charge yourself a bit.
Yeah. Then you're like, what kind of darkness is this? But I think the good thing is that you put it down.
Yes, 100% right. Cool, Papa. So I think.
And 10 years ago, you were how old? 15?
Yeah.
Lots going on.
Yes, correct. So I think maybe it's also an opportunity to give you a chance to have a realistic view in terms of how far you've come.
Yeah. For sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
And also, I mean, if you think about it in this instance of saying, if it was 10 years ago, you're 25 now, she was 15.
She was 15, bro. She was a child.
Yeah, so you can't judge her based on what the 25-year-old knows and does. You can only judge her according to the 15 and in that instance, you won't even have a choice but to forgive.
Read it without judgment.
Uzamvela. Yes, uzamvela. You're just like, oh, I'm so glad, Shem. Upeto. Baba, right.
What they were
Thank you
grand.
for that, Ralebo Rita.
This is the second half.
This is the thing. I'm just like, is this the second part of Rita's message?
No,
Cannot
it's
be.
not. There's one with a one.
Cannot be. Yo. Yeah, I know. So yours truly, 20711. Oh, Blings. I hope I can thoroughly translate my thoughts on this text. I just had this conversation with my partner last week. I might be biased, but here's what I think. It's not that women are selfish. It's just how gender roles have favored us in that specific area of relationship. Also, we know how to communicate our need, wants, and expectations, unlike men. As Damzupela said, most men don't even know what they want, what excites them. Now, how are you expecting someone else to know that about you? For men, it's easy to buy gifts and surprise their partners because there's always hints on what your partner likes if they didn't communicate it directly. Lastly, another problem we have is how men receive kind gestures. That nonchalant, cold thank you doesn't do it for us. Why are you doing it for the thank you? Personally, how I give love is by words of affirmations and gifting. And I can tell you for free, men don't know how to receive those things. Oh, they get so awkward. You'll even... You'll even
This
bought
is my
him.
fault. I don't know what's happening.
You'll even bought him.
Just read the next sentence.
Which sentence?
For some women, that can be discouraging.
Where is that?
At the top.
Oh, sorry. For some women, that can be discouraging. Oh, I completely missed that. It seemed like something different. When you do something for somebody, the reaction you'll get from them will fulfill you too. Okay, fair. So it's like you are doing this for your soul too. Now, if you don't get that fulfillment, that might make you hesitant to get them something again, which kills the whole vibe of gifts and surprises. Solution: men must get to know themselves more, know what they like, and could be able to communicate those. As Damzupale said, set a standard for yourself as a man. It's important, Jens. What did I say? Because what the hell? Lendoka Noma Ini Posayam has never worked for everyone. Love you guys so much. Thank you for such impactful conversations. Yeah. Dangam, let me tell you something. So much more easier said than done. I don't know myself how to do it.
Yeah, but you know what Zuko did do? He wrote a list of things that he wants to his birthday.
And now I'm thinking every day about things that I want to add on that list.
There's nothing wrong with that. You got the ball
I want
rolling.
to add the other things. Lando yo shave for me.
I'll get that for you. What happened? What happened?
You decided to call some table and blade. This is sicky, man. Did they take it? This is sicky and blade in table.
I'm gonna get that for you, so don't put it on the list.
Woo! Thank you, my darling.
And I already looked at it.
Lea
before you
manyane,
mentioned
ne?
it.
Also, how do you deal with someone buying you something? But I can't I'll be so mad. I have my tablet in 19 rand. Oh,
You can't judge a gift by its price.
okay. Okay, we tell funny phone pattern. I tell her iPhone at 29 rand.
I'd already looked at that price of the thing like a month ago because I was like, "Ooh, this would be a nice thing to buy." So when you said it, I was like,
yeah, and Kenyan, but also I still feel bad because I was just like, oh, I got practical gift. Oh, bora. But it's fine. I'd rather be bored than bleeding. That's what's happening to me right now. But yeah, to your point, so much easier said than done, man. It's such a difficult thing. It needs someone who is around you and someone who is careful with your feelings and someone who is not going to push you too hard and someone who is rather going to be gentle with you as a guy. I don't want to lie. You need other people around you to really be patient and gentle with you while doing it. Just like we are patient and gentle with Nina Nani when you're going through your things. Nati, we need that from you guys. Yeah. That's Talita saying, do I hear on? Olandelayo. Thanks, yours truly.
All right. Vuyo Shabangu says, snapping fingers at the impromptu poem. Hey, come on, poem, I missed it.
Yeah. Yeah, did I know poem?
God, Lord, shut up. And this is I had to shut up. Something about whispering leaves. And they're going, and then you get quiet, and then you said, shut up.
Oh man, I must go back to that episode. Yeah, for it must always confuse the enemy. You know what I mean? Sezokala. Thank you for that comment for yours. Appreciate it. For you again, Uti, this episode is going to make my colleagues think I'm crazy because I keep bursting out into laughter while kind regarding. Now I'm going to go lol with email because we right then and there. Yeah, my man. Oh, so glad, man. So glad to have made your day, your afternoon, your morning. And even if people do think you're crazy, as long as we're here, Pichum.
Hey, what you?
Yeah, no.
And as you choke as a fire.
Yeah, as bit my kobo.
Teddy Teto says the diary talk keeps reminding me that I had so many diaries and then the man and the bala every time my grandma hits me on some. I don't feel like I belong here.
Umashile watoswa. Now all of a sudden it's your grand's fault. Machita kodwa yafuna address ezinye izinto.
I don't think this is my family.
Ucima ifamily yakho yapi? Ile allow ba umoshe ungezwa nix. Qhwatyela uzandla. Thina masiqhwabele izandla. Yeah, khanga hlamba izityo. I think I'm going to do that to my kids if ever. Gonna call the whole family into a room. Then in the Sunday, then the bright Sunday, busy home. Why we? Oh, in case you're wondering why you're here. Ubani kangon slowly fake young masimqwabeleni. See if you feel like you belong after that. What? I hate it.
Such a cruel dad.
Jan, unqotyala mos. When's the feel like you belong?
He's not even my real dad.
Jan, sikonzela ibhayi kaloku wena because awumameli. Brayo ungamameli. Man, basile abantwana. Nithathavi lento. Where do all kids get this from?
Because you feel like trash.
But how about the Denzel flop?
Yeah, but sometimes the flop that you did, it doesn't equate to the punishment of the flop. I didn't break the glass because I wanted to. It was a mistake.
You broke it because Bukela. Ubulibele. Umnophosa umlomo wakhe ngabe bukela iTV. Hayi glass kaloku inoba wena ubucima uyaperforma somewhere usijakulisa iglass zami. 300. Like a table charm. You? Hayi mna wami umntana I'm sure uzawufuna ukwenza i-DNA ingekho. Uyabambana phela. Umlungisa mna.
Everyone just be grateful you're not Sika's child.
Ndiyakwazi uziphi igama ebudaleni.
Uziphe wena.
Ewe.
Uzothi
Mhlawumbe azela umntanzi umlungisi. Ngawopra mlo.
Can I finish the rest
Sure.
of this?
With pleasure. Sile le nto wawuyenza Teddy. Wena niyenza nonke. And the damn girls, do you know that no boy ever says, I don't belong here?
Teddy, girl. Teddy.
Yes, Teddy. That's how Mr. Bean says Teddy, by the way.
All right.
Oh.
Everyone calm down. I'd always lose these diaries, and go. I'm thinking, but they used to read them and think I'm deep in possession.
Wouldn't you think a person who just did something wrong and got punished says...
She didn't even say that though. She didn't
What?
say she did something wrong. Oh, also,
but
Teddy's a boy.
funny. Yeah, funny. Teddy can't be a boy.
Why? Because of the content of the diary.
I
What if
don't
we
belong
tell him-
here. I don't belong here.
What if we tell him
Okay, but okay. Teddy, go wrong, acrimony. I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry. Yeah.
That's just how you feel.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
wild.
Thanks, Teddy. I think we've laughed enough.
Pelisa Uti. Most men aren't open enough about how they'd also like to be pampered. This is a princess. Who wants to be called a princess? Not me. Because they think it'll seem feminine. We took my dad to Sobe for a foot massage. Ne buff and shine. He loved the experience so much and couldn't stop speaking Zanda. Let's normalize spoiling men without them having to ask, because some are too deep into their masculinity to think of such treats.
100.
Lovely. Pelisa loved everything about this comment.
Such a cute picture to see your dad.
Yes. And I think at the end of the day, it will be nice I know that I'll never ask for it, but it would be something that would be nice. Upembarishwa. You understand? I mean, and now umbono wo bam disimna no man kalon pambarishi. There's a disconnect. You understand? But when it happens, Imandi, Imandi. So yes, I think I like that. It's also you guys trying to find a way in which you can fit into, because we're also required to fit into your guys.
Yeah.
You understand? So yeah, 100%. Love that so much. Thanks, Pelisa, for that.
Uthi uzimkhitha nkubungu. Great episode, guys. Dinithanda into engenasiphelo. Now I grew up not receiving gifts on my birthday, and now as an adult, I never know how to respond when someone asks what I want. I sometimes worry that I might mention something too expensive or hard to find. Also, a quick question. Do you have any clips that never made it into an episode? Maybe ones you decided to leave out during editing? Nope.
No. So on the second point, Zimkita, what we do is we shoot straight from start to finish. Asbinabo, can you please cut that one out? I think that's part of how we want to come across as genuine as possible.
Unpracticed.
Yes, not practiced, and as genuine and as ourselves as possible. Not let me not say genuine, because that might feel like
Abanye abantu
abanye genuine. But for us, it's just us wanting to come across just exactly as how we are. So we don't cut anything out. Sure, we've got bits in the beginning and the end after we finish and before we start, that sometimes in some episodes you might catch one or two of them. But yeah, no, otherwise we shoot very much straight.
An hour's an hour.
Yeah, an hour is literally an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah. On the point of, I sometimes worry that I might mention something too expensive or hard to find. I go awkward. Don't move. But what did you like for your birthday?
Your phone?
You want to go thing phone.
Oh, okay.
So we just wasted. we just wasted an interaction.
What am I supposed to say? It's in a budget.
Oh
Budget.
no, because you're gonna use my budget as a target.
What do you mean?
Hello, everybody jam you try to budget jam me 3,000. No, but when you funi cows, who's out you all of a sudden 2,999.
And that's your budget, bro.
I don't know. It's a difficult one. All I'm saying is that I'm feel I was a kid. Because nyams khona ezinye izinto endizifunayo and but then also in my head I'm just like, no, I'm surely this can't be someone else's responsibility. Thandwa nguwe le nto.
No, wilist yakho wena noko ntsokoti for 40 years. Not into zokudlala.
Little 40-year-old running there. Oh yeah. No. Thank you for that. Thank you for that comment, Mkita.
Sanelisa Madlalisa says it's actually more perpetuated by men, Damzupel. People who focus more on gender roles are men. You try to pay for dinner and your man starts feeling like you're looking down on his ability to afford dinner for the both of you.
These are
So as women, we tend to relax when it comes to that department because we are taking away your roles. Women are such giving people. They would buy you heaven if they could. Oh, and amachere. Oh.
Some of them. No. Let's be distinct. But not all men. Also not all women.
But ukuzive izitori zamachere athengele ama-o abo ice in nonsense zama-o izinto all the time.
Yeah.
You're just like, what is happening here?
And what should you do? Should you change according to the person that you're with?
Yeah.
No.
Change like how?
Change. So if ndingumntu othandwa as the girl, ndingumntu othanda pay for dinner, what. Money obvious. Should I now
clash balance?
Yeah, should I now clash balance and save myself for the guy that is going to not be a movie?
First of all, get out of that relationship. Because
those are just
what is happening here? You shouldn't be there.
Fair.
That's not your person.
Okay.
And you know it's not your person.
And also, don't treat me like you treated the last person who was a movist.
Yeah.
Nam can try. Try me, treat me like the individual that I am.
And then umtuzoti. And when as the that's being treated, uti, kawles uti, I got the next one vibe.
Facts. Yeah, because now you're also holding yourself to something. Oh, you care become isileyo etengelwayo. Get the and when you say I got the next one, get the next one.
Oh yes,
exactly. Yes, maybe mandi, maybe ngumdlalo omandi. When you say you got the next one, get the next one. Like even if you feel like whatever, when you are leaving, uthi kanene ndim kanene namhlanje. Umniki ikhadi kwekwe uthi khakubhatale feeling athi nguwe. Uyayiva?
They have to teach you everything.
Umdlalo. You know, let's make it fun, guys. Whoa. It can be made to be fun. Thank you for that.
If you're a guy who doesn't, angafuna ubhatalela, sibela ibill fondini suyeke ibe ingungqikane etafuleni.
I'm just going to the gym.
No.
You're certainly shippy. Also, don't do that yourself, my G. It's not worth it. That for me, if you have a problem with a woman paying the bill, that to me speaks to there's something inside of you efunuchongo. Whether it's because wathukwa somewhere, we broke ASS and don't GTA, Ebola Muslan, or whatsoever, but heal. Umuntu ofuna ubhatala ibill oko needs to heal. Let's be honest. No, let's kusemhlabeni apha guys. Hayi.
And sometimes yafuna undenda wethu. Not all the time.
And guys, uyafuna utendwa. You might not know it. Uyafuna utendwa.
Kumandi utendwa.
In your heart of hearts.
Utenda. What is that? What word is that?
Be tender. Thanks for that, Sanelise.
And that brings us to the end of the show. Yeah, thank you.
Just like that.
Yeah. Thank you guys for your comments. And I don't know if they keep getting better or if this is just the standard, but we absolutely enjoy them.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys.
Coming.
Thank you for pouring into us as we pour into you. Eve. Khalela. Oh, I cannot wait. Thank you.
Ginger. Bye. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Line.